Let us start the session today. Today I am going to discuss about the pattern of CBSE Math Standard sample paper, which is published yesterday only, and this is the new pattern. Till last year we have 4 sections. Okay, section A, section B, section C, section D. Now this year the paper is divided into 2 parts. First is part A and second is part B. Okay, and in part A there are 2 sections. In part A there are 2 sections. Section 1 has 16 questions of 1 mark each, and these all 16 questions are um, not objective questions. Direct 1 mark question है, solve करके answer लिखना है. And section 2 is a question based on case study. अब ये case study क्या होता है? Just I would like to tell you some real life situation will be given to you with respect to some chapters. For example, last year also uh, one question was there from statistics. Okay, कोई situational condition दे दिया है उसका in the form of some word statements and some graph, some diagram, some figure, and with respect to that 5 questions will be there from each case study. 5 questions में you have to attempt any 4. So यहाँ पे एक choice है. So कौन कौन से chapter से case studies है that I will be going to discuss. Okay, now let us move towards the part B section. Part B section में 2 mark question, 3 mark question. Now there is a big change. 5 mark question. बहुत साल पहले 5 मार्क के क्वेश्चंस हुआ करते थे. 90s की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. उसके बाद 6 मार्क्स हुआ, उसके बाद 4 मार्क्स, और 4 मार्क्स का जो पैटर्न है काफ़ी साल तक चला और लास्ट ईयर तक 4 मार्क्स था. नाउ it has been changed to 5 marks. Okay, so 21 to 26 questions, that means 6 questions are of 2 marks question, and 27 to 33, 27 to 33 means 7 questions are of 3 marks question, and 34, 35, 36, 34, 35, 36 are of 5 marks each question. Now अभी तुम लोग देख रहे हो कि 36 क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, बट यहाँ पे जो 4 क्वेश्चंस का जो केस स्टडीज है, जो 3 क्वेश्चंस, right, 17 not 3, 4 questions, 17, 18, 19, 20. Each question has again 5 sub questions, and out of those 5 questions you have to attempt 4 questions. That means section 2 में 16 questions हैं. 16 क्वेश्चन और ये सेक्शन 1 में 16 क्वेश्चन. दैट मीन्स पार्ट ए टुगेदर इज ऑफ 32 मार्क्स. 32 मार्क्स, 32 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, वेदर पार्ट ए इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस सर.
पार्ट ए में 2 सेक्शन है. सेक्शन 1 में 16 क्वेश्चंस हैं. इंटरनल चॉइस इज गिवन इन 2 और 3 क्वेश्चंस, दैट वी विल सी. 2 क्वेश्चन में तो है. और सेक्शन 2 जो केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन है, 4 केस स्टडीज विल बी देयर, और हर एक 4 क्वेश्चंस में 5 सब क्वेश्चंस हैं. उसमें आउट ऑफ 5 में 4 अटेम्प्ट करना है. दैट मीन्स 4 into 4, 16 क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर एंड टोटल 32 मार्क्स. ओके, एंड पार्ट बी 6 questions of 2 marks, that means 12 marks, and 7 questions of 3 marks, that means 21 marks, and 3 questions of 5 marks each, so that means 15 marks. So all together we have 48 marks. So part B जो है वो 48 marks का है. So all together 80 marks. So ये 36 नंबर देख के खुश नहीं होना है. समझ में आ रहा है आनस? 36 सर तो अभी 48 क्वेश्चंस बोले थे और 36 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. क्यों दिख रहा है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 4 जो क्वेश्चन है, 4 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ केस स्टडी, और 4 में 4, हर एक क्वेश्चन में 4 सब क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने. सो दैट इज आल्सो अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन. सो 16 क्वेश्चन. सो 16 और ये सारे कितने हो गए? 12 plus 7 plus 3, altogether 48 questions are there. Now this is the very tough pattern for class 10 students. Why? Because with respect to number of students, number of questions, sorry, with respect to number of questions and with respect to case study. लास्ट ईयर तक एक ही क्वेश्चन था, दो क्वेश्चंस थे केस स्टडी से रिलेटेड बट छोटे छोटे थे. Now this year 4 case studies are there, so some time will be consumed while going through that case situational problems. So definitely this is a very big challenge for class 10 students. So now we are moving towards our question paper. So this is the standard question paper. Okay, standard question paper में first question जो है उसमें internal choice है. That means either you have to attempt or either this question or this question. Okay, and the second question, this is from polynomial. Okay, and third question from linear equation, and fourth question is also from linear equation, and fifth question. Now this is a very big change I have seen in this question paper. AP का केवल एक ही क्वेश्चन है, वो भी 1 मार्क का, and internal choice is given. That means you have to attempt any one question. And sixth question ये जो है वो quadratic equation का question है. Seventh question is also related with quadratic equation but internal choice is given. And the eighth question is circle question. Circle का question है ये, इसमें perimeter निकालना है. And the ninth question is also circle question. Internal choice is given. That means 4 internal choice is there till now. यहाँ तक 4 internal choice है. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 जो है, this is from triangle question. Okay, and this is construction question. Division of line segment जो alternate method जो मैंने बताया था, if you remember, याद है? Division of line
Yes,
segment
sir.
using alternative method. तो इसमें थोड़ा ये पैरेलल नहीं दिख रहा है, थोड़ा फिगर मिस्टेक है. These two angles are equal actually. These two angles are equal. तो रेशियो क्या होगा? 8:5, right? So now मैं किसी का भी आंसर डिस्कस नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट आई एम डिस्कसिंग द क्वेश्चन पेपर पैटर्न, बिकॉज क्योंकि नया पैटर्न है इस साल के लिए. एंड 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम trigonometry, 1 mark each, and this question from areas related to circle, और ये surface area and volume है, area and volume से related question है. And 16th question, now one more surprise for me, 16th question is of probability question and internal choice is there, but only one question is there from that chapter. This is a surprise, big surprise for me also, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है, इतना important, इतना स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है, and only one question is there. Same case for AP. AP also only one question is there. So how many internal choice questions are there? Total 5. One from probability, one from circle chapter, one from quadratic equation, one from AP, that is arithmetic progression, and one question from that real numbers. So this is section 1 of part A. Now we'll move towards the section 2, जो कि इस साल का सबसे बड़ा धमाकेदार सेक्शन है, केस स्टडी रिलेटेड. So already last year also we did lot of practice regarding PISA type question. Okay, so why this case study based questions CBSE introduced because of PISA. Now all the students are going to appear PISA in 2022. Earlier they are going to appear for 2021, लेकिन अब क्योंकि because of this COVID pandemic 1 year has been extended, so 2022 में ये PISA लिखने जा रहे हैं all the students. So for that purpose only this case study questions has been introduced. Okay, some real life situation data will be given to you along with the pictures, along with the graph. Okay, and with respect to that 5 questions will be there, and these are very easy questions only, बहुत difficult questions नहीं है. For example, this question, see, you have to find the midpoint of these 2 points. So you know by midpoint formula you can find. These are objectives. Case study में सारे questions objective हैं. Distance of point P from the y axis. So यहाँ पे point P है और ये y axis है और ये x axis है. So you can easily write the select the correct answer. Like that 5 questions are there, sub questions are there, and you have to attempt any 4. So this is the first case study, which belongs to the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay. Now the second case study, some scale factor related to data is given. This is from triangles chapter, similar figure based questions. Okay. And after this data, again there are 5 questions. Again there are 5 questions, and you have to attempt any. See this question, if you remember, this question लास्ट ईयर के एनुअल एग्जाम में आया था हम लोग का, जो 9th क्लास का. एंड दिस इज नथिंग, दिस इज पिज़्ज़ा बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस ओनली. पिज़्ज़ा का जो सैम्पल पेपर है, जो क्वेश्चन बैंक है, उसमें का ये क्वेश्चन है ये. ओके. So these are 5 questions, sub questions, and you have to attempt any 4 questions. And this is the from chapter number triangles. Chapter triangles से है ये. Now case number 3, applications of parabolas, highway, overpasses. So this question is from polynomial. So इसको जो ये parabola जो है, this is the result from the graph of quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, and this is symmetric about a vertical line, this line. Okay. So based on this there are again 5 subpart questions. ये पैराबोला है, अपवर्ड पैराबोला, और ये डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला है. ओके. एंड दीज आर द 5 सब क्वेश्चंस. ऑल आर नॉट मच डिफिकल्ट, इट इज इजी क्वेश्चंस ओनली, easy questions only. Okay. See, graph of quadratic polynomial is a dash, straight line, circle. Correct answer is parabola. Okay. The representation of highway like that. I'm not going to discuss the answer, just मैं एक idea दे रहा हूँ कि questions इतने difficult नहीं है, but you will waste your time by going through this all data what is given. Okay. Next, out of 5 sub questions you have to attempt any 4 questions. So this question is from polynomial chapter. Now case study based on 4th question. Again one more question is there. So why this CBSE is experimenting? Because of PISA. Okay. And all of you are already attempting attempted last year PISA questions also. Okay. CCT based questions also. So in that nothing is given, only case studies are there, some real life situation will be there, and based on that some questions will be there. So here this is case study based question number 4, and this is from statistics chapter. One case study is given, and with respect to that 5 bits are there, and out of this 5 you have to attempt any 4 questions. So ये 16 क्वेश्चन जो है सारे MCQs हैं. Okay. So any doubt in this section 2 case study related questions?
No, sir.
सर 4 बीट है तो 4
sir.
मार्क्स.
Yes.
सर ये 4 बीट है तो 4 मार्क्स का सर ये क्वेश्चन.
Yes, every bits is of 1 mark. So 4 into 4, 16 marks is there for this section 2 of part A, that is case study questions. So 16 marks है. कोई difficult question नहीं है. देखो यहाँ पे देखो, what will be the upper limit of the model class. So ये छोटा सा एक टेबल है, इसका मॉडल क्लास निकाल के उसका अपर लिमिट लिखना है. ठीक है. एंड बट सब जगह पे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. It will take time, it will consume time. So because the number of questions are more, that will make the question paper very difficult for every student. Okay. So now let us move towards part B. So any doubt in part A questions?
नो सर.
Okay. See, most of the questions are not from your textbook. Okay. All are new questions only. Easy question but new questions. क्योंकि familiar questions आने से जल्दी सॉल्व हो जाता है. So new questions सॉल्व करते समय थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है with respect to if you compare with the familiar questions. That is why this 48 questions is a big challenge for you, for all the class 10 students. Now let us move towards 21st question. This is a question based on real numbers. Okay. And the 22nd question coordinate geometry से है, and internal choice is given. Okay, internal choice is given, and the third question in part B is a polynomial based questions. You have to form a quadratic polynomial, and 24th question is a construction based question. So construction के दो question है. There are two questions of construction. One is of 1 mark question जो first starting में देखे थे, जो division of line segment based question था, and this is 2 mark question of construction of tangent. Okay, and 25th question again trigonometry question, internal choice है यहाँ पर. Okay, and these two are a very new question, not a textbook question. Simple question only, but familiar वाले questions नहीं है. And this question from circle question 2 marks, and 27th question जो है ये real number का question है. This is easy question only, 3 marks question. And 28th question polynomial quadratic equation based question है. Okay, so 3 marks question है, दोनों में से कोई एक question attempt करना. Internal choice has been given. Now we are moving towards the 29th question. Now this question is from example question only. Textbook का ही question है, example का question है, 3 marks question, areas related to circle chapter, and these two questions from triangles chapter, and this is very important question. बहुत बार board exam में आया हुआ question है ये, and most expected question for this year. और internal choice भी दिया हुआ है, so it's a very common question, board exam question है ये. And 31st question is of statistics, 2 missing frequencies there, and you have to find these 2 missing frequency. Okay, next 32nd question. Now 32nd question is of application of some application of trigonometry, 9th chapter. So one question is there, no choice, and this is a very simple question only, not much difficult. बस एक अच्छे से समझ के डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है, उसके बाद सॉल्व करना, बट फैमिलियर क्वेश्चन नहीं है ये. सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज देयर इन द 3 mark क्वेश्चन. ये यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया, ये यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था. द मोड इज गिवन, मोड ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डाटा इज गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो ये भी एक नया टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, बिकॉज मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी रिलेटेड मोड क्वेश्चन इज नॉट गिवन इन आवर एनसीईआरटी बुक, रेफरेंस बुक्स में है. Okay, now 34th question is based on some applications of trigonometry, based questions, and you have to attempt any one question. 35th question, it is based on surface areas and volumes, and the last question जो है ये है linear equation का question से related है. Okay, a motor boat covers a distance of 16 km upstream, 24 kilometers downstream in 6 hours. So this is actually NCERT question only, example का question है, उसी को थोड़ा सा change कर दिया है, numbers change कर दिया है. So these are the new pattern, new question paper, new sample paper of CBSE, and now I'm going to discuss about the weightage of all the questions with respect to different parts. Okay, so ये है first unit. फर्स्ट यूनिट अभी जो देखे हम लोग उसके हिसाब से फर्स्ट यूनिट रियल नंबर्स. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस द ब्लूप्रिंट. सो 1 mark क्वेश्चन में एक ही क्वेश्चन है एंड इंटरनल चॉइस हैज बीन गिवन. द स्टार मार्क्स इंडिकेट्स इंटरनल चॉइस, एंड 1 2 mark क्वेश्चन एंड 1 3 mark क्वेश्चन. सो टोटल 6 marks का ये यूनिट है, एंड दिस इज वेरी स्कोरिंग यूनिट, एंड दिस इज द अलजेब्रा यूनिट. अलजेब्रा यूनिट में 1 mark के क्वेश्चंस, इसमें 6 क्वेश्चंस हैं. 1 question from polynomial, 2 questions from linear equation, and 2 questions from quadratic equation, in which one question has internal choice. And AP, only 1 question is there throughout the paper, सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन है, उसमें internal choice है. Now case study based question has been given from polynomial chapter, जिसमें 5 questions हैं, 4 attempt करना है, इसलिए 4 out of 4. and 2 mark question केवल एक ही क्वेश्चन है, वो भी पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर से है, एंड 3 marks क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन इज देयर फ्रॉम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, एंड 5 mark क्वेश्चन इज ओनली 1 क्वेश्चन एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम लीनियर इक्वेशन, बोर्ड वाला जो क्वेश्चन था. एंड दीज आर द मार्क्स वेटेज ऑफ ईच चैप्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू द sample paper issued by CBSE, and this is the total number of questions, 13, and total marks is 20, इस यूनिट का वेटेज 20 मार्क्स का है. So these are the split up of this all the chapters with based on new sample paper, standard sample paper. Now let us move towards the next unit, coordinate geometry. There is no 1 mark question and one case study based question. Again 5 questions will be there. We have to attempt any 4. And 2 mark question is also there with internal choice. So total जो weightage है इस chapter का that is of 6 mark. So 5 questions are there. Okay. And now we are moving towards the next unit, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry total 12 marks का unit है. वो कैसे divide हुआ देखेंगे. 2 1 mark question is there. Okay, very short answer type question, and there is no question from case study. And 1 2 mark question is there from chapter 8, that is introduction to trigonometry with internal choice. And 1 3 mark question is there from some application of trigonometry. And 1 5 mark question is there with internal choice from some application of trigonometry. So यहाँ पे application of trigonometry जो है वो 8 marks का है. And because of this part only, the paper is difficult for standard opted students, because क्योंकि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वाला जो चैप्टर है वो थोड़ा उनको इजी लगता है कंपेयर टू दिस एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. और एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में 8 मार्क्स का है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सैम्पल पेपर, so this unit is a little bit difficult for the students. Okay, now we'll move towards geometry section. So triangles total जो weightage है 15 marks का है unit का. 4 questions are there from this unit, 1 from triangle, 2 from circle, 1 with 1 internal choice, and 1 from construction based question, that is division of line question. And 1 case study is there, question is there from triangle chapter. Okay, and 2 mark question circles में से एक है और construction में से एक है. And 1 3 mark question is there from triangle chapter. Okay, so triangle का 8 marks का है, circle का 4 marks का है और construction का 3 marks. And one very big drawback of this year sample paper is that there is no theorem. I was surprised to see there is no theorem from this chapter, triangle chapter or circle chapter, जिसमें बच्चे आराम से स्कोर करते थे 4 marks. Okay, so these are the split up of the chapters based on the new sample paper. Now we'll move towards areas related to circles. Total unit का weightage है 4. Now see, 1 question from each chapter is given in 1 mark question. There is no case study question, no 2 mark question, and 1 3 mark question from areas related to question, 1 5 mark question जो water वाला जो question था वो from surface areas and volume question. So 4 marks from areas related to circles and 6 marks from surface areas and volume. Total 10 marks. So this is the split up of mensuration unit. Now the last unit is statistics and probability. 11 marks का unit है, and very surprised, the statistics is of 10 marks and 1 mark only probability, which is a very scoring chapter. और एक ही क्वेश्चन है उसमें. And 1 case study question is there from statistics chapter. 1 mark question probability से है जिसमें internal choice है, and 2 3 marks questions from statistics. So total marks from statistics is 10, 1 mark probability, total 11 marks. So this is the blueprint of all the chapters. This is the blueprint of all the chapters based on new sample paper of standard maths paper, which is issued, which was published yesterday. Okay, so total number of questions you have to attempt 48 irrespective of internal choice. Internal choice को मैं ऐड करके नहीं बता रहा हूँ. So total 48 questions attempt करने हैं, वो भी 3 घंटे में. So it is a big challenge for all the students. I hope if you practice well, practice all the sample papers. I also going to upload 10 sample papers for standard as well as for basic. And if you practice all those sample paper with the limited time in the 3 hours, then I'm sure you will definitely complete the paper in the scheduled time, that is 3 hours. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your bright future. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.